All right, Amber, we're coming back around here. And Jake. And Gavin. Kitchen lights galore. Lights, 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 lights. There's your panel. Lights, lights, lights. Bar, bar, bar. Stationary. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Might want to work on that a little bit. Don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. It's just the bar moving. Don't be alarmed. Nah, they got to do that, Amber. They got to have something come up here. They're going to build cabinets all around this mug. It's going to be stationary once they get the cabinets. And receptacle. Receptacle, does that look right? Receptacle. Receptacle. R's, R's. There's another R. And pretty big. That's that's back focus. That is 10 gauge. Anyway, that's some big wire. It says coat top. Oh, wait a minute. Coat. Is that how you spell cook? C-O-O-T. Coot top. That's a coot top. I think they meant cook top. HR 22. What is that? Think. Fan. Microwave. HR 21. Are they naming this stuff? HR 20. Oh, that's so they can label it back in the panel box. I think so. Anyway, I don't know where Connie's at. She's probably wondering what the hell am I doing? Talking to myself. And here is your laundry room over in there. So this is your pantry. Got a nice size pantry. And phone jack. Is that where you wanted it? That's where you got it. Phone jack. And look at the Bam Main stuff. They haven't got this. They got it ready. All the wires coming in. So, and this is, hey, Amber, we got something beat on you. We got a bigger laundry room. I don't know why they didn't do this. Is strange. So you just have a normal pipe. They had a big old plate thing. At mine, let's see if it's holding pressure. Uh-oh. This might not be good. See that? I ain't messed with it. See that? Come on, camera, focus on the damn pressure. The pressure's down. That ain't worth a damn. Something not passing here. Call Sandy. I mean, what the hell? Uh-oh. Well, it might be because it's loose. What a dumbass put that on there and this be loose. Oh, it's tight when I left. Come on, guys. This is tight, right? That's tight. But where it tightened up in here is not. So your leak's right here, dumbasses. Dumbass. There's your panel. Uh-oh. Get HVAC back. They didn't attach it. Light them up. Come on, guys.